that, I confess this to her regardless of which way it goes.
Whoa,
I was
shit,
just
really?
some tips on how I
Nissan drivers!
Convey this to her and support.
And you put it right down there, and then you leave. Okay. She may want to talk and talk and talk and talk. I think that's not super wise, but also some people just process that way. Like I said, keep bringing it back to the present.
Left turn
present,
regret.
the present.
Post
If
office.
you take a break. Never mind, I don't want to say private stuff. I can just say I looked at my wife and I was like, this is what happens when nerds raising nerds.
That was no turn on red, and you almost hit the guy that was turning from here, too.
Also the words you say, and I don't ever want to be like you. I want to be just like you. What I'm saying is, this is the anthem.
This is stupid.
Throw your hands up. You?
This is stupid. I can't see the light. Why do they have it so close to here? I have to back up to see it. You're in the shoulder, dude. The lane's over there.
Because they let you project the future. They let you say, okay, if emissions continue to rise, this is what.
The school where this student athlete attended, that they checked their records.
Red light run.
They said
such a distrust of us tampering with, the things that may be the domain.
Red light run.
Is that how you?
Oh my God! It's just they were literally just intimidated out.
Red light run.
And I'll check in on you on Thursday.
No! Jeez! Why? Don't you see the cars coming?
QVC with CBS will reduce our stake from 15% to 5%. We don't want to be a disgruntled minority investor. So
it's the same underlying motivation, which is I do not trust either authority in general, or I do not trust a very specific kind of authority.
Dude, it's red. Now you're in the middle of the intersection. What the fuck are you doing?
If they're dead set on not allowing you to create a good faith environment for which you could have a conversation.
My audience, but I was scrolling YouTube and I found Christopher Hitchens debating a rabbi in New York.
Red light run.
You want to talk solipsism, define it, and kind of how you approach it?
I don't get into the persuasion stuff.
I call the two guy kids, the two boys, like rich bricks. Because they are. Okay, that theme was seafood, right? Yeah. So
no U-turn.
Regular fish.
Really?
Grouper, Asians.
What the hell are you doing? It's double line there. Rip Rock's gonna hate this, but I don't care. No stop. Yeah, straight for the left turn lane.
Okay, when you say because it's love, what do you mean by that? What is love?
What the? You got plenty of space, dude. The sign is wrong. Okay, that truck up there is 13.6. The clearance sign says it's 12.9. The state always puts a lower height on the bridges for some reason, and I don't understand why they do that. And especially since this is a signed truck route, which is weird. I don't get it. Why do they do this? That's why so many truckers get stuck under the low bridges, because they lie about the signs on the height. They lie about the height on the signs.
Everything that's been prophesied, before Jesus, during the time of Jesus, that's how I That's how I see it as congruent.
I don't think you can make a left turn. No, you can't.
Linear succession, but
You're here, all that. Somebody who creates a stable presence, I'll be here, right? And you can trust me. And you can also trust that I'm going to probably oversell it this way or undersell it this way. We had a guy in one of my communities I lived in, they'd call him Run for the Hill, Ron Roberts, or whatever his name was. But also, everybody went to him every single time. And it's kind of like Deloney comes in, and I'm like,
hey, what the hell are you doing?
Ever. They know it wasn't the best movie ever, but they know it's pretty good. But they know me, right? There's a presence. And so presence is number one. But the big one that I follow is facts are your friends.
Can you stay in the same lane, dude?
Somebody's fried. What they need is very limited true data. When a mother
nice cutoff
opens the door and there's an officer,
at least you committed to it.
A retelling of a Thanksgiving dinner. So,
Yeah.
Kate, should we all do at Thanksgiving?
Exit dive.
So what do we do about Uncle Joe?
Who's a climate scientist at the University of Georgia, and he says weather is your mood, climate is your personality. So weather is changeable. I have no idea what the weather is.
Exit regrets. 2 of them in a row. Oh, an exit regret on the other side. See if that got on camera.
I just went for it, booked in, paid a deposit, booked it in. Should have done more research in hindsight, but it's good I'm doing it now. It's good that I'm doing it now. Okay, I can still, if I don't like the surgeon, they have a few surgeons, I can just pick another one. So I'm not losing the deposit. It's all good. And then they, I just asked them about the recovery.
Exit regret and nice cutoff.
How long before I can?
Yeah, I want to be totally clear. Let's not do that. Terrible idea. But the problem. Everybody makes a really important point. The problem with climate change is not people; it's the actions of people. So climate change is happening because carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere are increasing. And they're increasing because humans are doing stuff. We're burning fossil fuels. We're cutting down forests.
To the latest episode and had some ideas on the definitions of soul and spirituality.
Red light run.
To me, the
to be battle against this well-oiled steamroller that's going after the rights of everybody who's not a Christian national. Here's the good news. I don't know if I'll...
Why you gotta be there and do that? You dumb. Dude, really? Red light run. Oh, nice cutoff. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is a construction zone and there are signs everywhere that say no trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And, yep, it's raining and still. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, see you next time. Okay, bye.